If you're still looking for a date place for Valentine's that won't break the bank pero quality ba din yung food, try bringing your date dito sa Steak to One. Sa Jowa Steak pa lang, solve na solve na. The place is nice and clean and not intimidating at all. Let's go! Start ko na dito sa favorite namin, yung Angus Jowa Steak. May kasama na rin tong mashed potato and gravy. It was very tender and nicely seasoned. Kahit walang gravy, masarap na talaga and good for sharing na din. Since it's served on a sizzling plate, we recommend that you get a medium rare cook kasi mas maluluto pa siya. The mashed potato was also pretty decent na rin. Tinry din namin yung filet mignon and requested for a medium cook since mas makapal siya and it was just perfect. Nice and thick, tender pa rin but not as flavorful lang talaga as the Angus steak. Pero solid na rin to especially for the price. Must try din yung USDA Choice Ribeye. Super flavorful and love the slightly charred taste. Although I think it could be more tender pa, so make sure to ask for medium rare na lang kasi for this one, we actually asked for medium and may pagka-chewy na siya. The truffle pasta was okay naman. Medyo